Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect WhatsApp to Odoo. If you use Odoo to manage your business operations, connecting WhatsApp can help you communicate with customers more efficiently from one place. We'll walk through the setup inside Odoo in a simple, clear way, so you can install the necessary app and configure your WhatsApp business connection correctly. This setup is mainly about enabling the feature in Odoo first, then entering the connection details from your WhatsApp business and meta configuration. Once connected properly, this can help with customer updates, order communication, support messages, and other business conversations. As you go through this, accuracy matters, because even a small typo in one of the IDs or credentials can stop the connection from working properly. So before you start, make sure you have access to your Odoo admin account, your WhatsApp business setup, and your meta developer details. To get started, open Odoo and go to the home screen. From there, click on Apps. This is the section where Odoo lets you browse, install, and manage extra functionality for your database. In Odoo, apps are used to add new features, so installing the WhatsApp-related app is the first step before you can start the configuration. Once you're inside Apps, use the search bar and type WhatsApp. Odoo will narrow down the results for you. When you find the WhatsApp-related app, click Install. If your system asks for confirmation, click Confirm to continue. Make sure you are installing the correct app that matches your Odoo version, because choosing the wrong module can create setup issues later. After a short moment, the app will be installed and added to your Odoo environment. Once the installation is complete, the WhatsApp feature becomes available inside your database, but it still needs to be configured before it can work properly. Next, head over to Settings. In the search area within Settings, type WhatsApp so you can quickly find the relevant options. When the matching result appears, click Configure WhatsApp Business Accounts. Using the search option inside Settings is helpful because it saves time and takes you directly to the feature you need. This is the area where you connect Odoo to your WhatsApp business account. Now click New to create a fresh configuration. Odoo will open a form with several fields that need to be completed. This form is where you will add the details that allow Odoo and WhatsApp Business to communicate with each other. Begin by entering the name and the app ID. For the name, it's a good idea to use something descriptive and easy to recognize later, especially if you handle multiple accounts, companies, or testing environments. For example, you can use a name like Main WhatsApp Account, Sales WhatsApp Account, or Test WhatsApp Setup, depending on how you plan to use it. After that, fill in the phone number ID. This should correspond to the phone number asset tied to your WhatsApp Business API setup. Make sure you copy this value exactly from your Meta or WhatsApp Business configuration, because this ID connects the correct business phone number to Odoo. Then enter the access token. This is a sensitive credential, so paste it carefully and store it securely. A wrong or expired token can prevent the integration from authenticating. If the connection fails later, the access token is one of the first things you should check, especially if it has expired or was copied incorrectly. Next, enter the app secret. This is also private information, so it should be handled carefully and never shared openly. If you are recording your screen for training or documentation, it is better to hide or blur this field to keep your account secure. Then, enter the WhatsApp Business Account ID. Each of these values plays a specific role in allowing Odoo to communicate with your WhatsApp business account, so make sure every field is completed accurately. Think of these IDs and credentials like connection keys. If even one key is wrong, Odoo may not be able to send or receive WhatsApp messages correctly. Finally, add the callback URL and click Save. Saving the record stores the configuration in Odoo and applies the connection details. The callback URL is important because it helps Meta and Odoo communicate events and message updates between both systems. If the connection does not work immediately, review every ID. Check the app ID, phone number ID, access token, app secret, WhatsApp business account ID, and callback URL one by one. Also make sure your WhatsApp business setup is active and properly configured inside Meta. Once everything is correct, your WhatsApp business connection should be ready to use inside Odoo.